Hello, I, Dr. Vijay Chandra Jairla, welcomes you to today's session related to the cloud computing. Today, I am going to discuss related to the uploading of static website that is using the HTML file. As part of AWS cloud computing, I am going to take this particular session. Here, we are going to create your own resume where the details of you, your address, email ID, phone number, and all other details related to the employment, where you can exhibit your details for an employment, will be created as a web page. So now let me start the session where I am using an S3 bucket. I am using an S3 bucket. Before that, I have to create a index.html file where all the details of my resume should be there. For that purpose, I'm taking a sample environment that is a sample HTML resume. You will get this particular sample at https double colon double slash codepen.io slash emzarts slash penzat oxzy This is the link which I will provide you. So by this, you will have a sample resume where you can do the changes wherever you want. You can keep your name here, resume, then interest, drawing, photography, design, and computer science. So whatever changes you need, you can use here. Here it is given as Wilton High School, but you can give your school. Then comes to the college, then SR University, then all the details regarding your intern experience and all the details related to your certifications, and even we need of the other concepts that are the LinkedIn profile link, hyperlink, whereas other links such as uh, leaderboards of the coding, that is lead code, hacker rank and hacker earth, some of the examples where you have to exhibit. So the output here you can see here like this. At down you can observe the output. Okay, so this is the code where you have to copy it and paste it in a notepad like this. Paste it in a notepad and run it as save it as index.html, and this is the index.html when we run it. So this is the sample where whatever changes you want to do, you can do in the HTML code here which is available. Here you can do the all the different code, different steps which you need to changes that can be used here. This is all about the HTML code. Then this is about the index, and then come to the home page. Then come to the home page, click here on the create bucket. The first step is directory, where you can use general purpose, where you have to create your own bucket. I am writing my resume 3142. This is the name of my bucket, that is my resume 3142. Then ACLs, this you remove it, block all public access, you remove it and click it on I acknowledge that the current settings might result the bucket and object within becoming the public. Then bucket versioning disable, then let all be like that. Then comes to the create bucket. By using this command on click create bucket, you can able to create it. So here your bucket is created. Once you click on it, here no uploads. So here upload, you can upload it. So to upload it, add files, and at desktop I kept as index.html. So this is the index.html. Open. So the index.html is created. Click on it. Okay. Then come down, upload. So now it is uploading the index.html. It is successfully uploaded. Index.html is successfully uploaded. Then come back, click on index.html. So here enable versioning, no need. Come down, object lag, meta, items, storage class, these all common things. Go to the permissions. Okay, properties. This is the URL. Right now it won't give. Since close this, then select this index.html, go to actions. We need making public using ACL. For that, again, once I want to check step by step. First is creating a bucket. Then second step is ACLs enabled. So we did that at the starting properties. ACLs were disabled. So bucket, my bucket, objects. Static web hosting is disabled. Edit. Here make it as enable. Come back, index.html. Here give the path as index.html. Then come down, then save changes. Okay. Now let us check. Click here. Again it is forbidden. Why? Because we didn't enable the ACLs. So first go to the objects, select it. So go to the buckets, select my resumes bucket, and go to properties of it. Bucket versioning, let it be. Website hosting is correct, and it is enabled. Bucket hosting is enabled. Permissions, bucket public access, editing. Here all block all public access is correct only. Confirm, create, then come back. Policy, I don't want to keep the policy. Ownerships, access to ACL, here edit it. Here ACL enable, so make it ACL enable. I acknowledge, then do save changes. Now come back to the buckets, then select this particular bucket, then select the index, then at actions you can see here make public using ACL. Make public using ACL, click on here, then say make public. So index is successfully made as a public. Then close this, then click on here, take the URL, click on the URL, your resume is posted. Hope you all understood well how to post the resume in the S3 bucket. Thank you for watching.